In the radiant Garden of Eden, Adam and Eve wander, bathed in sunlight, discovering a world of unspoiled beauty and serenity. Naked and carefree, they revel in their innocence, exploring a paradise where every corner whispers of harmony. Adam bestows names upon the creatures, while Eve gazes in awe, their laughter echoing through the tranquil garden. Bathed in the radiant sunlight of the Garden of Eden, Eve stands alone, a solitary figure amidst the lush paradise. A serpent descends from the tree of knowledge, its scales shimmering with an almost hypnotic allure as it initiates a fateful exchange. In a dialogue that will alter the course of history, the serpent provocatively asks, "Why did God say, 'You shall not eat of any tree in the garden'?" Eve, caught in a web of innocence and curiosity, explains, "We may eat of the fruit of the trees in the garden, but God said, 'You shall not eat of the fruit of the tree which is in the midst of the garden, neither shall you touch it, lest you die.'" With insidious persuasion, the serpent whispers, "You will not die, for God knows that when you eat of it your eyes will be opened, and you will be like God, knowing good and evil." In the once pristine Garden of Eden, Adam and Eve stand together, their innocence shattered by the stark realization of their nakedness. Shame and confusion cloud their faces as they hastily cover themselves with fig leaves, symbols of their lost innocence. The vibrant colors of the garden fade into dullness, mirroring the heavy atmosphere of guilt that now permeates their surroundings. Eve's voice trembles as she whispers, "What have we done?" They realize the magnitude of their transgression, understanding the profound consequences that await them.